Hi, it's Miss Cooper, and I want to read to you a book called One World, One Day by Barbara Kearley. And it takes a whole day, but it's photographs from around the world of kids doing very different things, but in some ways doing the important things just the same. She wrote, Barbara, the author, at the back of the book, a little bit about what gave her the idea for writing this book, and I always love to hear that. And then she wrote this paragraph, it's really nice. Kids in countries around the world have days remarkably similar to each other in the ways that really matter. Kids go to school, they play, they spend time with their families. This book represents one day from sunrise to sunset around the world, a day we share together. One world, one day. Two-page spread. As dawn, as the sun slips over the horizon, kids around the world get up, wash up, and celebrate a new day. Porridge, churros, toast, hot sweet tea with plenty of milk. Lots of things taste good for breakfast. Time for school. Don't be late. The trip can be a short walk or a real adventure. But by bus, by bike, on foot, kids come ready to learn. Reading, writing, music, math, science projects, arts and crafts. Recess rocks! And so does lunch. A little more learning, then kids start to stand up, clean up, and head for home any way they can. This is one of my favorite pictures. So many kids. School is over, but the day is hardly done. Kids work, kids play with bats and balls and hoops and slides. They do homework, chores, or nothing at all. Pondering life's big questions like, what's for dinner? Veggies, pasta, chicken, rice. Big round pizzas, plenty of cheese. Lots of things taste good for The sun is setting. It's getting dark. Families gather on the porch, by the fire. Family time. Quiet time. Time to brush teeth. Time for one more story. Kiss goodnight. Lights out. Around the world, kids dream of tomorrow. They're in hammocks. And all the possibilities of just one day. I'm thinking about the kids all over the world that are learning at home just like you are, but in so many different ways. That would be a whole nother book you could write. What does it look like all over the world to learn from home? Hmm. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for listening to One World, One Day by Barbara Kearley. Bye. Take care.